This is a motorcycle recorder with CarPlay. Let's take a look. This is yellow packaging. Open the packaging and take out the accessories inside. The packaging contains 1 host, 1 back clip, 1 set of motorcycle handle bracket, 1 power cord, 1 adapter cable, 2 cameras, 1 manual. All the accessories, that's all. There are 2 colors for the machine. Orange and green are common colors. The colored parts are all made of waterproof silicone. You can also customize the colors you like. All wires have waterproof joints, waterproof rings, and waterproof caps. The wire head connecting the machine has a waterproof plug. When you leave the motorcycle, you need to take out the machine and take it away. Just unplug one wire and cover the waterproof cover. This design is very thoughtful, and the needle inside may have moisture for a long time, which may rust. There are power keys, speakers, microphones, and nuts behind the machine to secure it. On the side of the machine are Type-C interfaces and card slots. Buckle the back clip onto the machine, tighten the screws, and it is ready to be installed on the motorcycle.
Okay.
After starting up, let's do a waterproof. Put the machine, camera, and wire into the water. Installed on a motorcycle, replacing the navigation and recorder on the vehicle. It looks much neater. This is a video captured by a machine recorder during customer use. 1080p is clearly visible. Due to the lack of night vision function, the effect at night is not clear.